As September comes to an end, Facebook ad costs start rising and it really becomes a hectic month. Hey, what is up everyone? Shri Kanase here, bringing to you guys another Shopify video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the increasing Facebook ad costs that usually come upon the end of each quarter. And although this is also an exciting time because Q4 is upcoming, and if you guys haven't already watched my video on how to prepare for Q4, the link should have popped up in the top right, so do check that out after watching this video. But this is also a really hectic and painful time with Facebook ads. But before jumping into this video, I don't know if you guys can hear that little cricket that wants to be a star in every single video that I make, because literally every time I start making a YouTube video, the cricket starts chirping again. And I apologize for that if it is disturbing you, but let's get right into the main content. Alright guys, so as I had already mentioned, it's really common for Facebook ad costs to increase as the quarter comes to an end. And the main reason for this increase in cost is that as the quarter comes to an end, big marketing companies that have businesses that advertise on Facebook start dumping their advertising budget all at the end of the quarter, because what these companies do is, unlike us, they have specific budgets for each month that they want to get rid of. And basically, if there is any type of budget left over during the end of the month, they start just pumping out Facebook ads. So let's write down the reason for this situation. Why is this even happening? So big marketing companies start pumping PUMPNG Facebook ads. And this brings an increased amount of CPMs, CPCs, and just pumps up the overall cost of everything. And this can be an overall problem for small marketers like us who may not have as much of a budget to spend on Facebook ads. And our conversion value ends up getting affected tremendously. But honestly, to battle these Facebook ad costs, there are actually really simple ways to tackle them and make sure that you end up profitable or break even at the end of the day. And unfortunately, one of these solutions is not completely stopping Facebook ads in total for the entire month. But what you can do during this time, and it is also one of the solutions, so let's write that down. So solutions, and I spelled that wrong, TIONS. And the first solution, oh, I spelled that wrong again, I am so sorry. But the first solution is starting to rely more on organic traffic. So let's write that down, implement organic traffic. What this basically is doing good SEO for your website. And this is actually really easy. You can have someone from Fiverr.com do it for you for $5. It's a basic setup and they do basic SEO for your website, just $5. But this is something that needs to be implemented over time, and it brings results over time. It's not something that's sudden like ads. But this is something that's working the best for my Shopify store, because just this Friday, one of my Shopify stores had a lot of changing profit margins and a lot of fluctuation. So what I did was I was like, that's it, I'm done with Facebook's bullshit. I just want to take this weekend off from Facebook ads. So what I did on Friday is completely shut off all the ads for that specific store and only leave retargeting ads up and running. To my surprise, on the next day, which is today, I actually made more sales than I do with ads running for that website, which is really weird, but I'll take it. And also, because none of my ads except the retargeting ads are running, my profit margin was like 40%. And the main reason why I'm still making sales after having no ads at all running is because of the tremendous amount of work I put into the SEO in the beginning. So let's write all of this down. So implement organic traffic, and what I mean by this is SEO. In addition to SEO, you want to have email flows up and running, and also be sending out emails at least once or twice a week. So emails. A large percent of the sales come from emails, and it's really important to have that set up. But the third thing that comes along with these two things is you need to have some type of rewards program or affiliate program on your website. And this could be added on later on in your journey when you actually had your first winning product. But let's write this down. So affiliate, LIATE/rewards program. And I also spelled affiliate wrong. But what these two things do is that they motivate your customers to go ahead and invite their friends or family members to the website, because with these programs, they're getting something in return. For affiliate, they're either getting cash back, and for a rewards program, they're getting coupons for referring other people. And the person they referred also get coupons. I had made a video on the apps that I use for my Shopify store, and the 2 apps that I use for affiliate and rewards program are also mentioned in that video. Again, the link should have popped up in the top right. But these 3 ideas over here are very simple solutions that are really effective when problems like these occur, where the Facebook ad cost starts to rise and you're just not making any kinds of profit from your store. Another thing that is one of the solutions for this problem is simply expanding onto other platforms. So by platforms, I mean advertising platforms. So expanding onto other ad platforms. I have some videos on how to get organic traffic from Pinterest, and also videos on how to do Reddit ads. So they may be of use to you if you're looking to really combine other advertising platforms into your Shopify store to make an overall brand as a whole. Because honestly, in 2018, just relying on Facebook ads is going to be a huge mistake. Dropshipping has changed tremendously, and one of the things that has basically become required is that you expand onto other platforms and not just use Facebook ads. Because let's face it, everything's been fluctuating the last few months and it's been going crazy. So unless you're fine with dealing with all of these fluctuations and basically having profit one day while having a loss the very next, I think it's really beneficial if you go ahead and start learning about other platforms. And the third and final solution I have for you guys during these months, and this could actually be done in any other month, is using other platforms to sell on besides Shopify. If you guys have been following me from the very beginning, you guys know that I used to do eBay dropshipping in the early years, which basically gave me enough capital to start my own Shopify store. And that is exactly what I would recommend if you're finding it difficult to keep on running your Shopify store due to the increasing Facebook ad costs. So let's write that solution down as well. So selling on other platforms. And to name a few, there are eBay, Amazon, Wish.com, or Etsy if you do any kind of handcrafting stuff. But guys, overall, there is no way out of dealing with these Facebook ads. You're going to have to continue trying to test products, because if you stop testing, your pixel gets affected within 7 days. So after 7 days, it becomes kind of idle. You may end up losing the data that it has already gathered from previous tests. But if you guys did find any kind of value in this video, just make sure to smash that like button down below. It's really helpful to me and lets me know that you guys do enjoy my videos. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with this content, and turn the post notifications on so you know each time when my video gets uploaded. And keep on earning money. I'll see you guys next time.